our year of expansion na jazafia jerom no ye restaurant to 20 city a nyame hia na beba abode na boana niam bi ekrekram no entoto na koyie pretimi edi amen to the fanambai na komodide bi adi 055 153 5775 me pacho fache me 055 153 6775 055 153 6775 na yamwa ngana mandeda di mpemfama nyame anzem de ye eno an ye krekremu a eye aduane a ye di a eboa ma ye nkra no enya hoden man totoye no ekoye kama pretimi edemaye edime pacho Victory Outreach and Victory Mission Radio Evangelism ne Ramos sponsors no your Reverend Free and famous Jackie o US omo nyina ka boma omo eboa na totoye no so no akoye kama pan so edi amana bibibia enso etimi adeda de eno echi no maka se tissue a uyusu a unzampa uyusu amu ede akono ye papa safari tissue no na mamindidi di hon koma entimi emfanchore mo amane mandeda ye emfama niema omode aye no eye niema ye erema nipedua no esan ye niema beboawo na hihye na akoye kama pa etimi edi amana ye didi hon koma we no eyetik ena afev so emu emre eno nso echi no se ye frifri ana wadidi ewie na de pepa wonsa ebo chinsuoni ya ensan kop ne nkonko tutu entimi enfan kaunsa ena afesu no ube yusu ache yie papa ezanze mudro no ne niam omo etimi aye no otumu zampa bibibia ededa yie kama pa so no etimi edi emomo eno nso no enanche no me patro ene tissues no omo de abana senete obenya toilet issue tissue na afi na prince no eno na che kitchen towel so no na afesu no box tissues no pocket tissues no unbranded packs nina safari tissue abomode aba bebazia mu ede uyusu atumu zampa niam de da ye pedema supermarket bia no okwa oso pebi no betimi afre na nkomodide bia wa bomode eni omo edi na niam de da dimpa ere ama na de open wanya bi na oso etimi aton bi 030 7001975 030 7001975 and 030 7001976 030 7001976 niamwa ngane manko yemfama kumasi ano linat orwani chemo tafu kumasi arajeze obomodia GB o maso 024 231 A399 024 231 A399 esta kosa orwani chem ewa sokwa owo no so gbe ejuma 020 3541002 020 3541002 that time so ye ramon seremna ngeni nkoma akra na mboa na na mande da ye prentimi emfa madia orwani chema bet power Ghana Premier League no the 14 no matches so ne betimi akos over the weekend na anobe din ye pa o check sere ne mesi kwa nyambo ochina ene ejepini etimi ashase Legon City somo ene Bechem United boboko no ene bebo ne opin pa ye friend Rustun Gama le sonogbe ene refia pa no okoro akwa jememenda matches ebe no 3 p.m. no mediema Sporting Club Limited omo ene Accra to folk ene ebebo ni pin pa ye friend Inyabila Mahamudu Ibrahim ono na eko akwa jametimi abojuma na memenda krona Tamale City the Citizens omo nene bibiani Go Stars Eddie Abweni and also Emmanuel Asaridako ene refia pa no Sunday matches ebe no e se rebeko Great Olympics omo ne Karela United ene ebebo ni Bashiru Dauda ene refia akwa jana Real Tamale United so no ebonsu atemanju no ene ko Jamediana Football Club omo ene Accra Lions na ebebo ni Selom Yao Bless ene refia pa no kona wakwa jo Samre Boy no hona Samate so mo nitima yeah, from Ken Pfizer, Eddie Babweni, and also no prepare friend Maso Wusu, and Jamu Chelsea, Ebe transfer Brekum Golden City Park, no more, and a Dream Service Eddie Abweni, Clementon Koa, and a refio Bakako Jamna for big game, no, Ebe Ram 6 p.m. My Crobia, Kumasia Sante Koroko Sunday, or more any Akimo Dako to Kurias, and Eddie Abweni, or prepare friend Jacob Asifua, or more than prefer Neya Point to almost Omonko, and Konko Jamo, na weekendino, Bed Power Ghana Premier League Day 14, or more and Konko Jumanembwa amanemanko yepa entimi emfamomo na head of the game no odidi in komare sere niema esietia Ken Pfizer maso Joseph Adujumo na ne twebe na bizanza adu owel sere niema esie konen totoye na amodi ewram na ase season manchase ye na dia nanam so ama start no na aye slow kakra ma Ken Pfizer aboboko no sei ena Adujumo Joseph China ebomodi timeri jai
I never really open match. I never me and Sandy Rowan. The best starting camera. The best starting camera. The best starting camera. The best map. The best starting about you camera. And if you want starting camera, we can be in the camera. There's okay. This platform is very hard. The coach back here. As you see, the man you had watching. And my DBS sound. Yeah, really genius. I never really.
Atia no ye command Joseph Adujumo e pomodi etimeri jani na mo na po ana ne madeda ye pa etimera ma after no ne bizanse enche na Jimmy Cobbler ya appointing no obaye ejumo ye dempa no de aba be kan team no weboa amane ma koyi ede mam
ono woni kasakama na do be ti o se ye o ye ne kama e bo u ya kasa mu na park ni ga o bobo do be ti bi ni si e manu ya fale ye papa ya ne o ye woni leader ye papa ni so ne ye fa be boy abo o da kan ye imna me pe gane hard na ye ti ni hard no kasa di ane kasa so kasa oni ti agro kasakama e na e boy ne bai boy e boy na e boy ma ya ba ni
Atia no ye command Joseph Adujumo China na as a player man can fight that bobo kona bomb de area tuja ebo amane madeda yepa etimi edi emano na yemfio na yemfre ni enchemu ni nkomo akra big match no ebe koso takwa Akun Park ho na Mediema Sporting Club Limited omo ejomo na so and girls akra to fokeri aboni Saturday ahead of the game no ere Omar Abdul Rabi coach Edema Mediema ahead of the hard game no and komusi na coach abomodin edi etimi era found.
It's their mentality. When they are playing Kotoko or Haas, nobody tells them. The mentality changed totally in the training grounds. And this is what we are seeing now. It's a game that is not going to be easy. But as you said, we are preparing very well to clinch the day when the day comes. Last year we beat them here. I know they will come for a revenge, but definitely we are also going to go again and then beat it. As we lost away from home, we will not stay here to even draw the game. We want to win and then get all the maximum 3 points here, because Akon is Akon.
Okay, Etia no ye komo bomo de etimere tuja Akon de Akon. I also dey almost so transfer so mo kwa we koji show mo no na mo nya the free maximum point. Na ne makoye pa. Etimi Edema Mediema na after no e bisa na zena ne akampo ankasa no prepare bi ene ne se obi yare niama bi ni ade ewram team no. Omaso ya na kampo ankasa e ba ne prepare on koma sene no so isi
Only one for now, which is Mante. Manuel Mante, he has he has groin. He came back and then the groin started again. I think he's the only player who is out for now.
Etia no ye komo apo modere atuja chesa ampa Mante ene the only player be kasi ni no we pra ontimi mama mejamo mbejuma entimi afama na after no ye bizanze na still and it also no se Mediema league no mo betimi age ananse se na league na nka se no so no udi hon komofa.
Playing here, when you look at the league, it's not difficult, but it's going to be difficult. I think our strength, all the teams I think is the same. It was up to now 13 games, and then when you look at 13 games, and then no team is up to even 25 points. So you can see that the strength of the team are, if I'm not mistaken, it's like the same. We'll try our best and then see what we can do to do whatever they want. But what they don't know is when you draw 2 games and win 1, it's better that you lose 1 and then win 1. The 3 points that you get from the 2 games is the win that we need more, not the draws. When you look at Kotoko and then Bibiani Gold Stars, they have drawn about five games on a row, and that's 5 points. If like they lose 2 and then win 2 and win 3, they would have gotten 9 points out of the 5 that they have drawn. So I think the draws are not something that we want.
Tialo ye command Omar Abdul Rabi apo mo de etimera fan ni nebo mane madaye pa etimera mo after no odin komo akra de che Mediema fans no ahead of game e todwa Saturday na komo si no bomo de che fans no
them, and we need them here. As soon as we see them in their numbers coming to the pitch, it always gives us a kind of motivation for us to go and then do well for them. And Tako, I know how they are. They like football, they watch football. We beg them they should come and then watch us, especially against Asofok. Not only that match, all our matches, they should come and then support. The team is for them. Now, the game is beautiful.
Eltia no ye command yo man Rabi. Me dear mom coach na bom mo dear ababa to ya mesen abana. Ma ba be di game no command na ramo asen so ma so ye kakra na mo no abe Heba Clinic abe. E was in new ramo mamia be na so ye na mame no nyame na no so ye adwuma pa. Won adwuma de o ye bi okrudu ma na yaya wodo na wa bom den. Etimi asoso ano kama man kofo enyo mo fa wodie. Se ne tie o ye be ma na ye ba ene emam no on sherantin ti bibia. Na onso no waboso nze wa emre wo pema ni nyino hwe ebo modi etimi di udwuma boa e ma jana so ma ne ma koye pere ma be ma wade ni so a opeso pejam kakra de bia meka se transition emienu your wise na afi obim nation na opeso fi wise a eram obim nation ama me no kwa obeboa na wama na kakra bi ache undru abe obon sa after no na wade ni gina plan na nemu ayedu pa baby girls no pa mo o akoi onam okukuti ni serosi ye ne ma no osanhia wa ya no timi eye ni ye pa de ma eti kone hwena yentimi embo abema prostate cancer mema yenyi ye prostate ne ye kese wenye dru ebe do na ndu bebi no yeri ade bi kwa kotu be mom na eze kwadwo konzo gina kwantia obonza adi pa ni na so chairman ni be hu kina na 90 minutes yo na ejekum ti asimpo ni aso na kwa kotu nsama pom ne mafo aba ze wo ye adwuma no kra yi no ebi bospe na ade ni ye keja asa ade ye ni na wato adi enkofo be didi ho na afi wa kwa koton graphic am obi ba aba be kinkan ni no be na wa bomode etimi aso na ade ba ko a e mama me na adwuma dan so no ne se twai ewo so a obe na twai no wa bomode etimi etu ase etimi era ma yare ba ko egu nkofo ni mase pa e no pe wa ya isa e ya be Heba Clinic sickle cell on sesem de o refa na dwa ya na jeze no na eze wa bomode ndi amoku abon katokwan no e call no ani dim sickle cell on sesem no o wetu ase kama pa kwada na yezi onyi num pempesu bi no ma me na boa ma dodo na akra tra samfie na e no mo ko banim na so ye no secretary test omo bomode ye scan test omo ye eno nso echi no obomode ne ma wodo na ebeboa ma so rejan na so pena tan no so apotrapa new side omo ba apotrapa junction no fa na number no komodi de bia ni ndi 0243 345392 0243 345392 and a 0506 460208 0506 460208 nomwa nane manko yepa nentimi emfama na yeramusa no sto yera so jamediama any hard to folk omo game no komo no Theophilus anoba enso yeren get ma mediama anoba e bizanse ne hard game no omo kwakwa ram no game na nkasa no no ye pro jamusi aka na de no ka etimi refa game no komo sei e na no ba bo mo de etimi rijai
because e has a crowd on your 4 point or 3 point. And you know, today that down my year na no, we are still working. But anyway, any house baba, I don't know the mentality no are different. Today my excuse me, using Satrema and other teams in the Babo. And you know, in the house of folks who media madi. By a very big game. You know, Obia prepared and then we are training Ukraine. I'm there. You can't match in play Wednesday because mentality no be a cycle. Order them 3 point TD. Order yes because for me you're cooking face. To order to me them 3 point. There be because I has a crowd on your 4 point or a 3 point. And you know, today that down now.
Eltia no ya koma apomode etime de era fa game no ne neboa. Ma bibia akoyere ma no Theophilus anoba. Era otis odidi din komana ya to bizan say this season media ma performance na nkasa ono assess ase no sie hu no
onye amanfo nkete oye nyina we as a team ya worry because Ghana league no say epede kwanima especially away no on the team other co pick points and you know the one normal kwani ankasa ne dey yeah very worried and extra me did that obetuma 10 results na hard work we are still working and our coaches you know so na dey one more dem ball mobia or contribute to my team. I know there very soon things will turn around.
Eltia no ya koma apomode etime rejai na otumu se game ni game ano bed pa na after no odin komo se re chair media ma fans no ahead of Saturday match in our money house de kwa boy ni no.
In fact, Mestre fans no because man kasa me personal view recently one supporter what they tie in each park no me feed owo form na we je team na nkete de my players ten ka team director na nkete a onye ye because ye nyina no ye with the fans here kunto dey bond very well and to beat us of folk no sometimes we need a 12 man on in the supporters to Mestre them time mum na ye hia one most because the one Yomaru Kono, so could jam my young coaches in a players and Ketia, Oyeden, and you know. He supporters and always be beyond forget. Na Hasidi, one by 1 o'clock, did not hire ma. Na you, Yashamayame Bear.
Eltiano, your command to floss and oba. I offer to forgive no abomodi timida to Janopa. Me carry chose out to folk bears a Nuncian boy Pramuduram non son. Eromoko Coco Trini, yes, no. A training na a chato meye o pubiman, Nina and ne. Na Aras for no gamer. I was so mobile to omo contemporary born on Conano Pino, na omo atrinary nyam watchna, and opana has in the bo makiti mi fin campatamo, eromaniachi mo takwa, na omakwa koto sisino sona nyamboa, a game no 8 me at to Gammon and the Erikiaka, the live commentary bed power Ghana Premier League, you know, and no Captain Sananka say Ricardo Vaz or Transia, na Bankuda Remotechia, no moboa, Mantutiano Kuyi kama pay to me at the mounty, hard to folk among common on Nino, ye de Eramun son 8 me at Amamia, Bibia. Niama so de dadi. Oh yeah. My auntie Azan Zukufi Patrick so neno report here obrekum. Manucho. Nena Manucho report here obrekum. Low no ka kobonomiki and all cobrekum or coco do ye no. One trini. Baron Chelsea training grounds or to ababi do nyam watchna. On your monso be chance. Di wa fi takwa kwa kudu brekum.
Manucho joining Chelsea no. I casted out on Amankona, so I know because Manucho Amankona wing attackers, Nucho need to be both central.
Yeah.
Once upon a time, a very formidable force for Division 1 name. Can't top scorers now. Unfortunately, a bad move na Enisa. Medium and Ambuano. And yes, one yard. But once a Obeko club, it is Akese. Once a Makotoko. Akese was scoring, or she goes span. Akese so transfer call medium mano. Then na ye be a war, no kuprai. The one tono. So Manucho so did the same thing.
Oh, last season class our zone 1.
Yeah.
Na guy bi wa sunta. No, sunta. Na friend Alipio Rano Timbisa. Oba medium on also so buy until
they've released a batch of 4 players almost any move wa sunta.
Yeah, they no count.
Omo release your
a very fine player.
Exactly. Into adaptation. Once they be am can't say is adaptation is crucial. Say player eba a new club and your born no be born your training in ko ba be ye your nyoma ba ko mienu miense bia at times o consider no why ya man say ne be ya ne ho beto no bia ne de e wo de me pe wo de akomia pe interne ya more personal than tactical and so what do I drink cause oh in the morning boy me ko to ni free ha o she goes wa nti oba and yes side also be sa mamia na wa dwen free sa ba ko mienu miensa na e also ye the support ne say ne be obetimi abo and
junior alios juniors Alipio Ranios
Ranios Alipio Alipio Ranios
Anna he's returned so clearly there are issues with adaptation and most of our clubs are taking it serious. Amankona there for Asante Kotoko say obedrin why be I want here. There's a reason behind the way people act. So be to an among be obey new maybe your obutae be a teacher. Some are valid, a biwa and valid into engine tum. Say be or say, oh, bon some the share maintina, aquadana me cotton mona. Nyanse be nim. But beware what say one. Obi a fantity emu osano ohun de ye ne mame onyini pe na ono so be abusive towards women. Saa so na obi wo ho a entete de ama no. Onya ne wa ha, oba ha o expect say beba wa ha. Enti na Muslim kwada aya omo mame mo na omo papa mo wu no. Aya na omo akotena baby no omo di ya because odwen hu say oh treatment say na me papa na me mame ti ase ne ye de mame. Ne mame ana ne papa free mu no. Wakọ into a different family setting na onya sa treatment no. Nje bia obekom kra na enya ne stepfather na ne stepmother ne na time nani but onya ne te said ye no onya no e wo no ankasa ne mame ne papa sana football ne so tie football no there's a social aspect to it and you be also na socially quotient your intelligence quotient your emotional quotient your social quotient and adversity quotient. Intelligence is just the Marcos ko ya che me madwene mu abi ma ben you get it. Emotional nature say ebufuo ni way ba say na me see react. Adversity nature say oh say okonyo memu a den a kwan be na o si fa so apie free mu through difficult circumstances. Ana social nature say how do you relate to people? Obia ni wo ebia obetimi ni nipa ba ko mienu mi say edin komo e flow for 2 hours All Miss Akunya na mean to me because socially I am not as intelligent as that to network and then communicate. Into obiane into obi obekɔ dom na bonso aboto. Oba betena studio no wakasa na wakasa wa radio so ba ye share wa ye dindin o so sa na metie. Into players no so sa obi wo won a club no you familiar with players or more or you familiar with the environment around us now. Player no or you relaxed into otumi de woni mu nyina pie. But so ko new club na fe no oba be settle afe no obe hu kwesi kwaku ni we ya. Aya na hu kura wom se osro so obeye mistake. Inti nyoma bi obetimi a try on take risk. Oje bona no apase. Or a striker, born or be making sure say Atoya and San Wabo shot and two balls a striker and a better than midfielder. No, nya born and no pass it. So your clubs need take it this serious. Na omonfa players name far through the adaptative period. Na players need to me and settle. And they will get the best out of them. I think that these are some of the things I was here my players.
Oh, Mate. That's the very one. So the teams are paying Ghana and Yada Kitokra. Come here. Say bibia she
bibia boko
mo de me fine bibia me say no pass so issue na reason na no edin na ye was eska we nyina wo Ghana yitimi de boy national teams na the grandma me ryan football mu ma ye nko ye ni
144
mobeti o mo fa document
document that's why many budget.
So there's a document.
Okay.
So other funds released out of budget to the ministry in 2022 last year.
Okay.
Inti ubenya the expenditure item na yede the amount related no e dia to nchen. Inti expenditure item no ubenya release of funds for Black Queens qualifier matches for Women's AFCON 2022. Inti sikane by in 2022 qualifiers no AFCON and Madia and Kase born last year.
Yeah.
But qualifiers nibi was in 2021. Inti ebe kani ina bomosha 1,980,507.86 Ghana cedis. Then about release of funds for Black Stars versus Ethiopia in South Africa, Black Stars versus South Africa in Cape Coast. And the 2 matches are Ghana boy, Etia Ethiopia. And no Yakobon was South Africa as so nyina say na Ethiopia for no CAF Abra say omo peche wo mo fie no. Omuntimi mfa host matches ana ewie no Ghana ne South Africa so be boy na ekonya penalty a e dey nsem bebre bae no sa matches me na boy no you spend 4,0961.74 Ghana cedis and a release of funds to support Black Stars we no quite ambiguous you can say ambiguous I just say any entiasia eto asumu obetimi aka nyoma bebre to support Blasters ebetimi Blasters team no ebetimi chita force we call form so mo support Blasters enti which release of funds here they support Blasters but ye tuni din say 57,224,301.74 Ghana cedis na Ghana
alawodu adi ubobo boso na nka de code kamani beje pa o
sa me fa
body new way we
are currency no?
Yeah.
Oh currency what they call currency I think so the 2 zeros back on and now on tia say yeah what the 2 zeros back on
no can nanka wa bonus kadada no so am
was it when you 6 zeros
yeah
good 1 million no old currency no saying 10 billion
and the first one is saying
1.980 million Ghana cedis ekwa ebeye 19 billion
me person can say
I say I'm see for 2 zeros for
Ghana
I'll be okay
no
okay enti 19 billion we no 4 billion we near 570 there we 57 million no ebeye 570 billion 8 million no ebeye 80 billion we no ebeye 630 billion and here sika dey prepare for World Cup no e wakata 30 billion yep ana we no 8 million no was here for GBC there and kwa dey ebeye frame crab because it won't be part of what I really want to tackle abu Osha the GFA 142,426,907 which etra 1 trillion.
Sompa Sports.
Sika spend over Blasters. Etra 1 trillion. That is it. Udi zeros in a kika kanwa. In Chemuni, there is it. GFA president in the manifesto. They be known I'm referred to because I acquired the reference point. Nipano, obepe power no, obepe tumi no, or they need trimu pobi betuja. And I'll catch it say, Adia bakwa a higher game no. A investment, lack of investment. Say they making kind say on tiasia so amema o makofa ba na masanso akan ama but I say my kind no this week my kind no ba dada lack of investment, lack of transparency and accountability and a wrong perception e what amount for trim. There's a lack of investment part. One, you can't Ghana football na ya drink kokodie say oh e ball na ye ball nko a there be ye wa hoboa ye de bebo ball no eno any infrastructure enti ebesi stadium yesi stadium oha yesi stadium oha si ebesi other parks ahodo e dey support say na be ye bibenya bi aye training then stadium na e wo ho ne kra na you will be aye dada teach you secondary stadium na dey we sipon no ni yina no e yade aye disika be shem ni apagem every year bia no aye na ye tie structural aye repairs to damages some of these infrastructure sikasem enti na obete NSA force oh ye ni sika enti sika na ye ni nti ama ye de stadium ne airbo concert enti Shatawale kwakwaje a na football for no omo ho akire omo ebi kwaje eye ebi je for other social events enya particularly football because the NSA at the end of the day they need to make money obe economics oh government subventions omo de maye no eya de a eba wa ana ebeba kra so a eche ebeba so a esua. So because of government subventions na banning emba intentem ninti emba te said your mopeninti omunye sika ntimi mfa maintaining facility ni nti ende oba Ghana ha ye standard stadium meka standard na te said ye betimi abo FIFA matches no te se ye be ye ho adwuma kakra ansa na CAF FIFA abeji atum which is a problem and here one nti infrastructure wise ye mfa sika share ye game nimi ye se ne ye be peja nti ade chi ade sa pictures ebe hu wo ye TV so ye screens so social media and it say ye say pitch way grass no aye brown ama water so ye say stadium way oh and you say about Premier League match crowd ye ntimi mfasi kan hwemu improve ye betimi Golden City Park na Chelsea bobo ade bia super Chelsea for no e aban dia enya Chelsea dia enti se sika ho a ye betimi de siesie ne kama Sunyani Coronation Park akosi saying what is the state of it. Your other parks are molded in such a capacity betting aboa. Enre chia na mediema omunya adoma go face for babesom can stanka TNA park so enye owura Moses sama na de sika kwhye mo boa at the first state and sana ye benya go face mo support here and can so Kebia can state no at the Golden City Park wo brekum. So infrastructure and physical function and here 1 2 game nankasa ye bebo no ye wo bibi efe no coaching no eye nipa ba ku mienu miensa akomia me wo yade atum se ball ne de ntimi mbobi ba ye wonim dia ye betimi abo ama ball ne hwe aye de na ball no so yetimi abo na ba ye kra be hwe eye de ekosua e wo dem ne ye de abetoto nti Pep Guardiola Jose Mourinho enti coaches ne so eye ade a omo so behia training first no na ke wo win ba sports college enti a kire so sen kra wo ye coach a oba ko fam kakra obenya ntete enam so omo ye sports college ninti ombe gibre no mo de wa fam se ne se ene se ne fata eni so wa ba out kra na wo ye sports master wo school a obetimi aba be coach national teams ni bia na coach clubs ni bi na aboa enu bia na pa kwesi feben mo ne ike afane mo de sha ase batanso ho oman ni hu se ye coaches ni benya nimdi a ebro so enti saade a ye be bia konya ne de ato mo matimi tutu kwan otu kwan a ye obi efe na exchange enya hwe nti na Ghana ya jimre say ye the doctors ko Cuba so mo nkonkosua ade they go to Cuba for that exchange programs okosua nimde wo Cuba kwan mo fa so sayare sana coaches ni so hia bi sa first na ne ye ende ye nye bi nti won say infrastructure ni wo from coaching ya ba from na ba talent before say akomi abeba bebo Premier League no obesha ase from Anamo Edikan is a wo ye de oko crèche oko kindergarten oko nursery ansa na wo ba primary kra ko JSS wo be wi akọ university into wo fiti preko emba university ni eso fiti preko epo se amoja na eba. The point here is that I was saying more friend now about matches na me share at the Premier League level because Premier League ne ka say I was so pa before so me draw no I was so munya football entity edimu sani ebe ya obeba soro no ball no oba efe inti entity no first you see coast football to coast football no maintain ya wo coast clubs ayatete a ekuku dambia omugidi so omu wesika omu de ehebo omu etete nkoda no ena mema ya Steven Apia abema ye players ahodo ende wa mababo ni bia magana age omu de bibugu so airbo entete no and their win and that's what I say. So almost everything ani ye di sika shem ye di anwodin shem ye di adaje shem e di peja ye ball no ya to na jeje mu. So check your infrastructure eko form, check your coaching eko form, check your players eko form, na check your competitions nankasa so and also form. Sa ade na akona edom betu edi echire sa man 40 ase a ebetu edi echire but then na ye say temptations aba about the temptations are that social media, digital media easy for people to get access to football matches unlike in the past. First nebia obenya football ho asematia newspaper krata ana say TV so ye sports highlights and a match be a live kakra no wenye bi ahwe football made in Germany mo football Italia mo no wenya kakra no ahwe but enne no ade sa wode nya internet wode nya laptop nya computer nya mobile phone na pe TV obinya matches ahwe sa enti sa dodo na etu abom akọ stadium and omoko match venues akọhwe matches no it means there is a temptation na etwe omudi efiri ho oba na first na nkwa na nete na mo neighborhood back e ye nkwa na ye be me wo man doso onyi under threat because oba no mpie nko bebia na ho na boys mienu miensa ba betna ho omo betna ho ade na pesi oba no wakonya se ohun mema mienu ka ho omo be ye temptation enti dia na obeye obepeja wo game nim se na ebe ya still obeda top e wo oba na list wa na meboa enti when temptations come now was why you're innovative in finding promotional tools ebema was what stay at the top and then you find no promotion into league no keke unja no obo hu dewro e wo waja pade enti meme ton toast wo dwom ma me bi so betena me nchen ono so ton toast me hwe me toast ni toast na meme de no e bia wo soro kakra sen no but in toast na meme ton no meto wodin na de bia me ba na mada ana maame no wafa speaker bi akosi nchen ana oye anti akosua ntos no obonyom ka ho oba na the signboard dey see wo na direct to anti akosua ntos enti hefa no mbeko anti akosua enti wa mbo ade na owo ne hu dewura dodo na ente omumma enye omakono ade ye akono by advertisement enti na companies say sika esa ade no promotion enti na companies say sika esa ade no sanka Sompa ye TV station, ye radio station. Anka ye nye dede biasa. Ba Sompa ebe shase no obo hu dewro. Sompa or ye TV station, I didn't know create social media channels. It was a ultimate trim. GFA and Omo handle ye football no for some time now. Investment into these sectors of the game. Akofom. Nanso ye hwe sika ya say.
Oh, me gadi we there.
Ye hwe sika ya say. O de fatu subion. Ya say close to 1 trillion. Where just for a year. And you 10 years.
Now, I don't know to say Mickey. We no so am resource papa biao.
Debi.
We am resource papa biao. Ya boka ogu kwa.
Ya fa hwe amfamba. At the end of the day, untimi found sense you say, "Sa 142 million Ghana cedis na ya spending no. Am I a pitch back? Am I a way back? There is nothing tangible. I don't have a point.
MZD can almost say release of funds for Black Queens qualifier matches. Qualifier matches for women's AFCON. Abu de mehwe wa hanom no ebia matches no home and away because you bought one team.
Sell home and away.
It you bought Nigeria pe. It Nigeria pe na you two kwan ko ba e friendly game ni spend 1 million Ghana cedis.
Friendly game nin count.
Friendly game near Morocco and you can put the Morocco na the tria ni sika. Enye ni tria It's qualifying game na Butia Nigeria no home and away no. You spend 1 million Ghana cedis. 1,980,507, which means 19 billion year chiri for a home and away against Nigeria. Keke.
Yes.
Then near about Ghana Premier League in him.
In terms of 100,000 Ghana be a 1 billion.
100,000 Ghana
be 1 billion.
1 billion.
And 900,000 Ghana cedis no, 9 billion. And 1 million no. 10 billion.
19 billion.
We have 200 million. Nanka 20 billion.
Black
we have 200 million. 9 billion. 20 billion.
For one qualifying match.
For Ghana, Nigeria
home and away. And I'm able to say, CAF organize a Women's Champions League. Teams in the Chrome Koda, Honum Crania, about 16 teams in the CAF bomb who cut this particular kind of amount of money. Yet here Women's Premier League. The level of investment in Women's Premier League, you know. Any scare this shame no crampo for all of the clubs in the Ombinyana Cran. Omokro more match back who a deal. Omobo matches to so week be our mobo Skawi Edru. Near about next one.
Women's Premier League clubs, I'm here saying. Omo year 18, I think.
Yeah, 18.
Or match him. No, I think 16.
Or match him
8. And to the 1 billion. 1 billion. Farmer club will be a. What do you mean by? 1 billion. Farmer money clubs need no fear. Obi afanya ho bon fan shame. Omuntia girls ne kaye.
Hello, Gremians.
Ye fentia referee ka. Ye benya se sa we tire. Abi team the organizing league ne crack.
And no na si wo.
Then munya shows a crew in ayo no.
Abu.
Biggie. Adene ya sempa.
No, there is a picture. Picture ne say close to 20 billion, 200 million cedis. Old cedis no. What they can one 20 billion. Way a bit me organize a money league, you know, for 4 years. At present value. Send your missing rating money league. A bit me organize. Yeah, they cobo 2 matches. 2 matches no. Sebi and fan for so be and fan my. Young qualify for AFCON.
Now are you know me? Bukata same
release of funds for Black Stars versus Ethiopia.
In South Africa. Black Stars versus South Africa. In Cape Coast.
Home and away. No, release of funds. Black Stars versus one.
South Africa, the Cape Coast, Bako. And Ethiopia, then so Bako.
And Ethiopia, it's 2 matches. And only 4 million. That means your ball match be a strike average in the company boy. Your ball. Sag match no ba could be a 2 million Ghana cedis at
20 billion.
Match back on.
Yeah.
Your bomb match back could be
20 billion.
Hey. And only a blaster. Then release of funds to support Black Stars.
I don't pay in account. Me Ghana.
I say
57
a man to the
anti pay
57,224. That means 572 billion. 572 billion and a release of funds here they supported Black Stars. Ghana Nigeria in Chiremuni ho.
One say ebu omo be a free gate e-ticketing almost ye jegum anameboa.
Yes.
Enti eno sa no ye keka bom ye ne sa na se den.
Omomra claim
figure no how did they arrive at that? Specifically there no there because Black Stars who ke be a boy throughout that year no. Oma chocho. Na de me won kakra na ye say Yebo South Africa, Ethiopia, and South Africa will keep course. 2 matches, next match be approximately 20 billion. But a DNT Nigeria game no match be 40 billion.
Nigeria game no match back could be 40 billion.
Aye.
At the end 81 billion.
81 billion.
Nigeria game home and away no. All the bus kada that be about 81 billion.
Because I mean tell say the edi kan was no. Ya South Africa there no. Ya fan say approximately Ghana yebo game bia no. Yan spend the crown 20 billion the bed ebeko it home and away the crown can 40 billion because Nigeria South Africa then the kusi Nigeria then must spend the match back could be 40 billion yate take it in your tongue ye and on them kodanche release of funds to support the senior national team the Black Stars to participate in the FIFA World Cup. You will release of funds to support Black Stars and only a 572 billion one chirim. Black Star no meaning say different form release of funds to support the senior national team.
About the more specific, you know. Me the sky the bomb more Brahma the Kokata.
57.
It's 57 year the day.
I know. Come here, no need that me no anymore. That's car. I do not make me susi mu no. Me hu say dia the big bomb pie. Na mpa bo so abebo man do 572 billion aranya sa. I could dem pie bomb dem ko.
Abu 572 billion release of funds man chiri. Ba ma senya akukuduro. As I release the funds BM to support the senior national team, the Blasters, to participate in the World Cup. And Nunkwa is 630 billion. It is 630 billion plus 572 billion.
Now the 4-8.
Now the 4-8. Abu,
yes, Blasters and Kwano, yes, spend bro 1 trillion old Ghana cedis. 1 trillion. Trillion and your billion. 1 trillion.
Only on support.
Anna, emu 3 so count billion no so count be into close to 1 trillion bear 1,332,000 na dia kika so. Now this Ghana currently your league no sponsors yes sponsorship near
$6 million.
Now $6 million. Okase ubu mu dia ba convert by Ghana cedis farmer.
Okay.
Yeah no at a fixed rate or they are in a fixed rate of 10. Okay. And 6 times 10 is saying. Follow.
Me too, pa.
Say $1 biano. 10 cedis. What they multiply 6 by 10 is saying.
Approximately, according to the dollar rate, the current number 74 million Ghana cedis.
74 million Ghana.
That means 740 billion.
When you 132 million Ghana cedis. Follow the NE. And Tisikaya spending with Blasters for no more than 4 matches.
Mike, what the matches in the Kawana?
1-2 Ethiopia, South Africa, Nigeria home and away. 4 matches and I'm a boy. Sasikano, Utudia, close to 12 million Ghana cedis. Now a broke now no about World Cup about how many matches? 3.
Yeah.
And also Okabomwa saying 7. You're spending 132 million Ghana cedis on 7 matches.
But one question maybe sir. Abu, you know, say Black Stars in the national team they are buying there. I know they are my FND so much so. I know say definitely can be a bebo national team you will be on the FND net na budget no. Or my Jojo and no their co-ministry. No my bubu then they come to a conclusion. Answer na silly. There's only one question I want to ask the FA. You bet me at Tenassi nearby at Tenassi decide this particular kind of our amount of money. See if Remo Black Star. But yen timini abuy mun penny for and Tenassi and discuss it. And who can be fast with bit me raise car. Be BT CC. A dear Ghana Premier League mo. A boy other team.
Now, are you sure say the Ghana Football Association no? I'm paying for an MP for a big trim no. Or mu did in common the Black Stars or more kind local league in once a month.
Okay, good. So this is why I come in. Local league, you know, who are stakeholders?
Yeah.
Your coaches, your referees, your clubs, your players. All these stakeholders, they count, they matter. And we hear pa. But in the referees, yetimidi omoka. Clubs seek asem ayana koye bibi ewo. Players omuniska because clubs no ska no musu benyebi. Coaches eno kra de bobo. Inti coaches ni bi kra beje bribe kakra ansana player ba. Obeji favor you kind of say almost say bribe a favor also oye bibi. I hope you get it. And to say one yes idea where I'm from mom where is o blown in 1 year 1 trillion who blown in 1 year. It is 1 year from mom one it comes back to the same temptation bet or ho metwa menyeska anameboa a come demia I can do the most wicked of stuff ain't na bible mu. You say, I come to me by obi catch you say, oh, foul by the bra, ye no. Ye really near me, and man, swan miss made the media and beba. A didn't ya, a come. It is to tell us to an extent, you will be an limit, limit. Ebi awo, o ye cron to the extent that ye mpia unconco do stage be. Na ya flower catcher say, oh, my medaya some passo. Ye here 10,000 cities, the iron surgery. Oko check your account mono. I 1, 2, 3. 123 Ghana cedis in the womb. No be a catcher say, oh, ye player. Ball way, ye fentra bet. Ye born 4-1 correct score. 4-1 ebema odds be 100 utwa no 100 cedis saying 10,000 cedis. Oh, and then one some nkobo ne enhye player no nye
obe
because nani abre bia player ko enyamesum ni o player no suradi o oya we enfor ba efi ofri mu no wo mo nya nyoma basabasa but enam sa ho kire nti ode no ho be hye sa ade ni because all pesika enimani ya de akoya ade. So we are putting our players up for temptations.
Yo, we are very bad.
And you are corrupt.
And my good man, the back over ma. As some man ye me hoopa. What if that's a budget you are here at all? O check it here and the reviewer. You have a under 17 tournament.
Yeah.
Skabekum.
Yep.
You have under 20 tournament yankubu.
Yeah.
Skabekum.
What can
now they are national under 23.
I'm also called yeah.
Omabo first qualify with you.
What can head in?
Now said Black Galaxy is crashing about.
Mike can head in.
Other fans release out of budget.
Other one no.
There's a way there's a budget like
Black Galaxy is crab.
That be omo
so where I'm finding quiet budget na
na last say you know black
was spend this cabina
princesses Costa Rica.
Was spend this cabina kafofobia be.
Abu football ne there. Ebi mo ye. But omo here to satisfy omo parochial interest. There ebe bo omo. The omo ho beto omo, the omo nya kakra frame. Say I think say one and so in free from farm megu menu amenye.
Abi gize so dey aban mu no omo mboayo.
It's because everybody is enjoying.
Mo mboayo because say obi te Ghana miki. E bre te say dey si awo kan yo. No kokun zade we ya. Enye o.
Yeah.
Yetima mu e bre na sky ye say no we national team
1 trillion and over. 1 trillion and counting. Yes, say sika no wo mo so.
So clearly who's a player no crack on me oba no sika no be po nyama no oba be kunu mama no.
Enti sebe wo dan no foundation nye. Baby a dine state akokodru no. Semfrema boka kakra bi a edan ne bebu egu. Wakoto paint so be painti dan no. Sebe nyansa ben ne wo. Bibi sebe wo odan no. Semfrema bosisi ya dan ni na be dwregu. Afei na wakoto paint. Aba be si won se obe painti dan no na ye hrepe. That's what we are doing. Tournament draw. Oh, you have a jersey ashe. You have launching new jersey. You have a that hotel. You have a court tour. Abu Dhabi. Oh, Monko Qatar. Monko Juju. When we have competent coaches, we have enough training facilities near quality. And when you say about Qatar, Morocco ko hefa.
Amo hefa no moko.
Omo tina omo krom. No, omo they have invested into infrastructure. Omo investing into infrastructure. Now, Abu. So 1 trillion years say in the last year no. A bet me assistant the state of Ghana infrastructure why enough for sports.
Miki bebre.
A bet is sunny ina. I'm a big crab schools no any more pitches. Or was pitches need one come my training.
Dabi.
So you thinking ye nice de dear wo. You nwen that thing.
I don't pay any she didn't come all can just.
Dear wo.
They should like Nija set a target a man on that chair was a 10 years time. No babeji have come.
Exactly the point.
And they all year no
and all investing on first can come out of a kwache say of a kwache gina kodi.
What's that Mike ka say na mayedi. Yesu so ano na ebo wo ncheni. E kire mo bese san we no mo se nye wo ncheni. Ye bo an nyina ya kwa kwache. Na me say ye no nko a. E me say the real ye ncheni na nkasa no. Enu nie. E wa aban mu. Ene Ghana football mpanyifo mu di animu.
Oh, na say me na mokoba Ghana for be na mu diska. Anka makwaba na Ghana for etuasi mo so. Eye protest. Eliditi amo na be violent anka mbejai.
I'm paying for the team editing too much. Me fa call
it baby soon de gari kro nya bi.
Dabi Miki.
Very
bad. Oh yeah Ghana ni na the way.
1 trillion ebroso.
Oh Dabi.
Na dey trimu adwen boni ni
puno omo je asa Ghana ha abeboa se bi eska na ekogije kra na ekọ tournament ko yesi kra dia abeboa Ghana ma ye football so etu bo
ba ma be patcho oh ye fa manyame oh achi anembui ade no wobu na wi o se achi anembuye.
Okay, mama fa for no 05519319310551931931 no ye Ghana ni abra. Na wa de ekoso no bra be kan bi ba me sure ba man bi di obi atemo ha. Me patcho odi ani baby afrefi.
Yes, sir.
Robert Yako.
Mezabu, always a man, a real Boston bottle, and I'm a boss. Yeah, that's a way I was telling you.
Yeah, company for the year you make around the Bemo. I bet you be a I said you'll be defining company for now. Almost to get into some, but you can no more. How can you grant them as a boy to what I'm glad that account? It's a money to not have it to go on the year. Then I'm not going to pay for the years I know. Because to pay for the year now. What kind of grano? If I'm not different, it's in the way you say, no, I have money to me there. Then you have money in your money, you know the same market. They say, they are making for animal family. I don't have money there. This is a toner, can you tell me behind your head?
Martin made us a palm part to DNA baby Alfrefi. Mabajo meet you.
So the young people say,
Hey, Monsieur Pacho,